This is question number 52 from book number 1 based on the 2020 NEC, and this is electricaltime.com. What is the minimum number of GFCI protected 125 volt, 15 or 20 amp receptacle or receptacles that are powered by a general purpose branch circuit required for a permanently installed pool? And what is the min and max distances that the receptacles or receptacle can be from the inside wall of the pool? So is it one receptacle and not closer than 5 feet and not further than 20 feet? Is it one receptacle and not closer than 6 feet and not further than 20 feet? Is it two receptacles and not closer than 5 feet and not further than 20 feet? Or can it be four receptacles and not closer than 10 feet and not further than 30 feet? Just want to take 30 seconds to let you know what we do here at electricaltime.com. We do online electrical classes from the comfort of your home. And then we also have this free service. So if you click on the subscribe for free NEC questions, Monday through Friday, you'll get an NEC code question and an answer sent to your email. All right, so back to our video. And the answer to this question is B, and that's going to be one receptacle and not closer than 6 feet and not further than 20 feet. So next question, what article are we talking about here? And this is going to be pools, and that's swimming pools, and that's going to be Article 680. Also, we see that we're talking about a permanently installed pool, and I believe that's going to be Part 2 of Article 680 for swimming pools. So let's see here in our textbook. So we've got here Article 680 for swimming pools, and that's within Chapter 6, Special Equipment. And then in 680, for swimming pools, we look at the parts, and then we see Part 2 is for permanently installed pools. Then we find 680.22, and that's the lighting, receptacles, and equipment. Then we've got 680.22a, and that's for receptacles. Then we have 680.22a1, and that's the required receptacle location. So again, we're looking at 680.22a1 for the required receptacle locations. And what the code is talking about, where we have a permanently installed pool, that we have to have at least one 125 volt, 15 or 20 amp receptacle on the general purpose branch circuit, and it must not be less than 5 feet and not more than 20 feet from the inside wall of the pool. The receptacle must be located not more than 6 feet 6 inches above the floor platform or the grade level, where we have the pool. All right, so it can't be all the way up in the air. All right, so we have a height limitation as well, and we're required to have at least one receptacle. And again, that one receptacle, the voltage is going to be 125 volt receptacle, 15 or 20 amps, and you cannot be closer than 6 feet, but you can't be further away than 20 feet. And also, as far as height is concerned, you can't be higher than 6 feet 6 inches, above the floor, the platform, or the grade of wherever you are standing for that pool. All right, so let's read what we have in our textbook here. So 680.22a1 requires only one receptacle that is powered by a general purpose branch circuit, and the receptacle cannot be closer than 6 feet and not further than 20 feet from the inside wall of the pool. It also says that the receptacle cannot be more than 6 foot 6 inches in height from the platform, floor, or the grade level of the pool. So again, the answer here is going to be B, and that's going to be one receptacle and not closer than 6 feet and not further than 20 feet. And this is code reference 680.22A1.